On this machine, to access the lid switch, we just need to have to lift this console and flip it over. And to do that, all we're going to use is just a thin bladed putty knife. And we're just going to insert that between the console and the cabinet. Apply a little forward pressure and pry up on the console. And a lift, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. So again, we'll just take our putty knife, insert it in between the cabinet and the console, and pop that console up. And then we can just flip it right over. Our lid switch is right here. And to remove it, we're just going to undo the electrical connector, as well as remove one screw to take the ground wire off the cabinet. To remove that electrical harness, just going to pry upward on it and wiggle it off the switch. So there is a ground wire that connects to the cabinet. We're just going to remove that with a 5/16 nut driver. And we'll set that screw to one side. With that removed, to take our lid switch out, we're just going to press on that tab, raise our lid, and rotate it up and out.